guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my August update for the Throwback 30 Project Pan. So if you want to see the progress I made on the items in and what I will be rolling in, then let's go ahead and get into it. We have almost a full refresh. I am rolling out 5 out of my 6 products. So if you do not know what this project's about, it is created by Jessica Lee and is a Pantastic Ladies Collab that goes from July 28th of this year to July 28th of next year. It's because you can't be a part of every single project, either in the Pantastic Ladies or not. So we in the group voted on the top 30 past or present projects, and the top 30 made it into this one, and I randomized one prompt for each of the projects that were applicable, and then I randomize all my uses for each of my products that roll in between 1 and 30 for all the prompts that I can. I will be rolling in 6 prompts every update until all of the prompts are rolled in. So, to start, we had Budget Beauty, which I just finished this today. This is the Morphe Set and Bake Powder. As you can see, the stopper is out and this guy is used up clean. So I had 22 use goal on this, but I only used it 17 times, but it's an empty, so that's still a goal met. I ended up using it 7 times in August to hit my goal, but I liked this powder. This was the travel size. I got this in my Ipsy. It was in the shade Translucent, but this was really nice. I've never used a Morphe setting powder before, so I enjoyed this and would definitely use it again. I need to weigh that. But yeah, so that was wonderful. But like I said, that was done today. Then we have 50 Shades of Brown, which is just a brown product. And, which I need, hold on. Budget Beauty was obviously anything from the drugstore or inexpensive, budget-friendly. 50 Shades of Brown is anything brown, so I brought in my Milani lipstick in the shade Tease. I had a 10-use goal. I used this 5 times in August to hit my goal on the 5th of August. So that's how much is now left in my Tease lipstick. I ended up using it more as a blush this time than as an actual lipstick, so I find that interesting. For happy hour, my prompt was regulars, an item you use every day. So for that, I brought in my Milani setting spray, which this is an empty. This is the NYX Bear With Me setting spray that's now in here. So the weight that you're seeing is what this weighed at the end of this, because I hit my 9-use goal. I actually used it an extra time. I hit that goal on the 31st of July, because I started this project a couple days early. So, but so this is the NYX Bear With Me spray. So I know it looks very, very full, but I just emptied this yesterday as I'm filming this in real time. So the weight you're seeing is the correct weight, but this is not the Milani spray. So sorry. So that is a goal met. Boom. Then we have Nightmare Before Christmas. So now this one is a to-do. And let me see. I think that was just... So you had to pick one item from either Halloween or Christmas, and I obviously chose something from Halloween. So originally I had in the Black Moon gloss in the shade Bitten, but that one made my lips burn and my throat tingly, so I decluttered that gloss. So then I rolled in, I had another Black Moon gloss, and I had it in the shade Pumpkin Patch. And my goal is 7 uses. That was the goal that I had rolled for the gloss. I ended up using Pumpkin Patch 2 times, and then I decluttered that on the 24th of July. So the Pumpkin Patch gloss just had a weird texture, but I liked the shade. So then I ended up rolling in because I do want to meet all of my goals for this project. So declutters are not going to count as goals met. So finally, I rolled in. This is from ColourPop. It's the Shimmering Body Powder from Soul Body. And this is the Hocus Pocus 2 Find the Book highlighter. So this is all pan. I've used this 3 out of 7 times. So this is my only product that'll be rolling over. I will give you a swatch since this wasn't in. I'm wearing this today, actually. But it's just a green highlight. So I'm at 3 out of 7 uses. So yeah, Nightmare Before Christmas has had some issues, but I apologize. For Turn and Burn, we had my 3 SPF samples, and I finished all 3 of them. So for the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, which I think someone said it has an SPF of 30, because it doesn't say on here. I rated it a 7 out of 10. It felt fine on the skin, but there was a white cast. It took a few minutes to sink in, but it did end up feeling great on the skin. So I do have to weigh these. Don't throw it in your empties. So there's the CeraVe one. Then I had 2 from Elta MD. It was their UV Skin Recovery with SPF 50. One was their regular, and one was their green color correcting. So their regular, I didn't put a rating, but I put sank into skin quick, left me shiny and with a slight white cast, but it felt really good on the face and it didn't irritate my eyes because I have issues with sunscreens irritating my eyes. Then I had the green color correcting one. Felt great and sank into the skin quickly like the original. Really toned down my redness fast. I actually enjoy this more than my Dr. Jart, which I decluttered. I had the Dr. Jart Cica here. I have it right next to me, actually. This guy. The Cica Pear Color Correcting Treatment. I'm going to purchase this Elta MD instead, because I think that it worked better and faster than the Dr. Jart. So I finished all 3 of these. I don't have any other samples. I do have this one deluxe size SPF that I just got, but I actually have this in another project to finish, so I'm not going to roll that into this. So I'm calling Turn and Burn a goal met. If throughout the year I get any other samples, I will just show you guys and do them for this project. We had 4 seasons, which that was obviously about the seasons, but what did I specifically have to do? So link a product to a season in any way, and I picked the season fall. So I brought in my Natasha Denona eyeliner in the shade Taupe, and I got an 8-use goal, and I used it 4 times in August to hit my goal on August 5th. I love this. 1, it's a gorgeous color because it's like a deep, dark taupe. But 2, the formula is great. This is the first time I've ever used a Natasha Denona eyeliner, and I liked this so much I ended up going and buying the shade Willow because it was beautiful. So I will throw up on the screen the 6 new prompts that are rolling in while I go grab those. All right, so we will start with same pan last year, and I got Black Friday, which is November 24th, which is an item you got from a Black Friday sale or you got on super sale. So I'm bringing in this Give Me Glow lip liner. This is in the shade She Wolf. I got this for $1 on Give Me Glow's website. That's the shade She Wolf. I got a 7-use goal for this. So there's that. Next, we have Birthstone Beauty, which I think I got my birthstone, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got October, which is opal, so I had to choose a product that related to the birthstone. So I'm bringing in my Cosmic Beauty Serenity palette. I've just been loving this so much, and it has the shade right here, Opal. So let me swatch that for you. So there's the shade, that is Opal, and I got a 14 use goal on that shade. So this palette is going to be in for a hot minute. Next, we got Another Pan Bites the Dust. And another one gone, and another one gone. So I got the prompt, we are the champions, no time for losers. Choose a champion product in your collection. So I'm bringing in, this is my favorite bronzer. This is from Kay Voss, and it's in the shade Chelsea. Can you see those rings? I hope I hit pan. I have a 13 use goal, and it's just the most beautiful subtle bronzer. I can really build this up or sheer it out. It is just stunningly gorgeous. I love it so much. Then we have It's Panning Cats and Dogs. I got Ziggy Dirty Dirty, something with a sex theme, which I have something. I got as a free gift with a Mercari purchase. This is a Jeffree Star liquid lip, and it's in the shade Bricked Up, which to me, that sounds dirty, because you can be bricked up. And it's just a red-brown. And I got 25 uses, so we'll see how far down that gets me on this little mini. But yeah, 25 uses on that red-brown liquid lip. But I think it'll go nice with that lip liner, so that's nice. For Color Pan, that is just to use something from ColourPop, Fourth Ray Beauty, or Soul Body. So I'm pulling in my only remaining Super Shock Shadow. This is in the shade Ember, and I got a 7 use goal on this guy. It's like a blue silver, because I definitely want to get some use on this before this one goes off on me as well. And last but not least, we have Ancient Mythos. What prompt did I get for that? I got the Moirai, and that is a product that you would repurchase forever. So I'm bringing in my Natasha Denona concealer, because this is my favorite concealer. And I got, this is in the shade N2, and I got a 12 use goal on this. There it is right there. I'm wearing this today. I love this concealer so very much. So that is the progress I've made. Like I said, we do have one rollover because I had so much trouble with this prompt. But otherwise, everything else is a roll out. I showed you guys all my roll ins. That is going to be my update for August. And I hope you guys enjoy. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.